Top 5 Best Micro USB Cable for Xbox One Controller. Core Micro USB Cable for Xbox One Controller. This cable ensures maximum strength and durability from the common USB ports for its aramid fiber, triple-braided nylon exterior, and aluminum connectors. In addition, it has passed the 90-degree bending test as well. Features: super fast charging, uninterrupted gaming session, ensures maximum durability, conveniently usable. Brexlink Micro USB Cable. If you want to use the device simultaneously from any convenient distance, then definitely you need a long-length micro USB cable. It has high-speed charging safer mode and fast data transfer mode as well. Features: premium charging and data sync, ensures ultra durability, provides conveniently long length, highly compatible and reliable. Micro USB cable. This cable is one of the first ever changing cables strengthened with premium connectors that make it incredible and distinguished from other common conventional USB cables. It has super durability and bending capacity, which provides extreme resistance towards breakage. Features: super fast charging, seamless gaming during charging, extended long length, compatible universally. Micro USB cable. It gives you a 15 Ft long durable charging cord that provides extra reach for charging and data syncing. If you want to replace your original cable and add a more convenient one, then this micro USB cable will be perfect for Xbox One controller. Features: super fast charging and data syncing, extra long length, ensures durability and flexibility, universal compatibility. Microsoft Micro USB cable. It has distinguished itself from other conventional Xbox controller USB cables by its amazing feature of charging light for adding extra support. It provides us with superb durability and high resistance as well as extreme flexibility. Features: unbeatable fast charging, provides extra support with charging light, compatible with all Xbox controllers, ensures extra long length cord.